If you are a spicy pasta lover, this shrimp Fra Diavolo recipe needs to be in your life. The name Fra Diavolo actually means brother devil in Italian, and that really should tell you a lot right there. So let me show you how to make it. All right, let's get cooking. First thing you want to do is get a large pan, heat it up to medium heat, and we're gonna add some olive oil. Heat up your olive oil, and we're gonna cook our shrimp first. So here I have a pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined. Set it in here. And all I need is just a bit of salt and pepper to taste. And I have about a teaspoon of chili flake that I'm adding to mine for a little extra spiciness. And with shrimp, you really only need to cook them for maybe a couple minutes per side until they're nice and pink and cooked through. All right, once the shrimp is cooked through, go ahead and set it aside into a clean bowl or onto a plate. All right, all the shrimp's in a bowl. Next, we're gonna make our Fra Diavolo sauce, nice and spicy pasta sauce, delicious. And add more oil if you need to. In this case, I've still got some in the pan, so I'm fine. So first thing we do is add some onion. I have about one small onion chopped. And here's an optional ingredient. I like to add some chili pepper to mine because I'm chili pepper madness. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's not quite traditional, but here I have a more of a sweet Marconi that I grew in my garden, so I love to use it up. You can use hot peppers as well. Make it spicy, my friends. And we'll cook this down for a good 5 minutes or so to soften up the veggies. All right, the pepper and onion is nicely softened up. So next we're gonna go ahead and add some garlic. Here I have about 4 to 5 good-sized cloves minced up. And really, you can use garlic to taste as much as you want to. You know what they say about garlic, it's you measure that with your heart. You know, it's delicious. And anyway, so you'll cook until the beautiful, gorgeous garlic begins to bloom. It only takes about 30 seconds or so, maybe a minute. Next, I have 14 ounces of crushed tomato. So I'm using canned tomato, and you can totally use fresh tomato if you want to. Really, diced tomato is great here. Fire roasted tomato is outstanding with this recipe because fire roasted tomato equals awesomeness. All right, get that in. And we're adding some chili flakes, some spicy red chili flake. Here I have about 2 teaspoons, maybe a little bit more than that. But really, you can add that to taste. This is meant to be a spicy recipe. So, of course, you can add maybe a tablespoon or a little bit more if you want to. 2 tablespoons. Go crazy, my chili head friends. And I have half a cup of dry wine. White wine's good, or maybe a Marsala wine. Usually white wine. And I have some fresh oregano from my little herb garden. You can use dried oregano as well. So get that stirred in here. And salt and pepper. Don't forget salt and pepper to taste. A couple little grinds. Black pepper. I like a lot of pepper. All right. So get it stirred up. And we're going to go ahead and let it simmer for, at a minimum, 10 minutes. I like to let mine simmer longer to let the flavors develop. Also, my friends, another optional ingredient is hot sauce. Feel free if you want to add some of your favorite hot sauce, a few splashes or several splashes, really, of whatever you like to, really to your spicy preference level. I know you want to, my chili head friends. Spice it up. Smelling good in here, my friends. The Fra Diavolo sauce is simmering along and smelling amazing in here. So while your sauce is simmering, go ahead and prep your noodles. I have some linguine noodles that I'm using today. You can really use any noodles that you want to. Any kind of pasta is good here. All right, the Fra Diavolo sauce is basically done. So the next step here is to go ahead and stir your cooked shrimp into the pasta sauce here. We're just gonna warm it through a little bit. And go ahead and remove your pan from the heat, and we're gonna stir in some fresh herbs. Here I have some fresh chopped basil from my herb garden, and I have some fresh parsley. That in there. 1 to 2 tablespoons, usually good enough. So just stir it into your Beautiful sauce here. All right, and last but not least, the pasta. I have my prepared linguine. Get it drained here. And pasta into the Fra Diavolo sauce. Give it a nice stir. And let's go ahead and talk about the heat factor with this dish. So with Fra Diavolo, it's meant to be a touch spicy, and usually it's from the chili flake. But you have options for this. You can add really as much chili flake as you'd like to, really to your personal heat preference. So if 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili flake is enough for you, hey, that's great. Some people might want to add a little bit of extra chili flake, or you can use spicy chili powders here. Hot sauce is always a great option, as I like to little splash here and there of your favorite hot sauce. But also spicy chili peppers in the beginning. As I mentioned, those are optional, but I like to add some with the onion to build a little bit more of a flavor base and add a touch of heat. So when you're ready to serve your pasta, my friends, I like to do some fresh herb, just a little bit of fresh chopped parsley for a nice pop of color and a little extra flavor. And also a little bit of extra chili flake if you'd like, pretty much to as much as you want to. It looks nice. And some nice grated cheese is good, like fresh Parmesan or Romano cheese. Absolutely outstanding. So if you guys really love Italian food, I really think you should try my Italian giardiniera. It's an excellent, you can use it as a condiment or as more of an appetizer. Just so easy to make, it's really delicious, big flavor on that. But also, if you guys really love spicy pastas, you gotta try my Rasta pasta recipe. It's really kind of a mashup between your favorite Italian pasta dish with a Jamaican spin, lots of Jamaican seasonings. That's definitely one to try, so I'll cue that up right for you. I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks for coming to my kitchen. Greatly appreciated. It's been nice hanging out with you guys today. I hope to see you next time. New videos every Friday. All right, let's give it a taste, my friends. Nice and spicy. I love it.